Hello guys, welcome to my another brand new video. In this video, talking about should your insurance company offer cyber protection. It is written by Andrew Stratton. Cybersecurity has become a growing concern for US companies over the past couple of years, and the good reason. Information branches have not only become increasingly common but also much larger. Nothing illustrates the state of modern web security codes as well as most recent breach, which saw hackers target the IRS by exploiting faulty security to compromise over 1 lakh taxpayer records. Similar branches have also affected much smaller companies, and it's common to see a forward-thinking insurance company racing to adapt. Here is what you need to know to determine if first you are actually in need of cyber insurance, and second what you should look for in a policy. Are you at risk? If you work with customer information of any kind, then the answer is likely yes. The term to look out for there is personally identifiable information, or PII. It's not a technical term but rather a legal term that carries some teeth if you have to deal with it. At its root, PII is any piece of collect information that could potentially allow a third party to identify a business individual client. Given how good the internet is at leveraging even teeny hints to track down a person, that identify is awful broad. Full name, email address, site nickname, and even web cookies can all qualify as PII. If you are storing anything that falls under the PII umbrella, you are at risk of a breach. Breaches are enormously costly, both for affected customers for the company responsible for the loss. Companies in the healthcare and retail industries are obviously at an increased risk, but when it comes down to it, any business that makes a habit of collecting information should add their insurance company about cyber policies. What your cyber policy needs. You will need to look for a few things in any cyber insurance policy. As you may accept, a good policy should cover the financial damage directly caused by a breach. However, cyber attacks can cause financial damage in a wide variety of ways. In particular, make sure that your company is protected against losses caused by the lost time and productivity. A major hack can cause company gears to grind to a halt. Find an insurance company that guarantees coverage for the revenue lost during the period. Indemnification caused by third party. Few modern companies handle their data on their own. Outsourced IT support or other companies can fall victim to a breach that affects your customers. Loss of reputation. Breached companies, even those who that have done their due diligence, almost always take a peer hit in the wake of an attack. Good policy offers some cushions against the customer losses that generally ensue. Finally, also try your best to work with an insurance company that has an educational component. Some plans will also come with training to avoid a breach. As nice as protection is, it's safe to say that it's best left unsweet. Installing a set of best practice can help keep you from having to rely on a safety net in the first place. Thanks for staying with us. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye, guys.